Mr. Grouch here, and doing another video. This one's going to be pretty short. We're covering just the degreasing and getting all the oil and crap off that's stuck in the frame on this thing. It's really nasty, and this is going to be the step prior to us getting the plastics clean and trying to get the top side looking a little bit better. But there's so much oil, there's so much grease on this thing that we really got to just hose it down with degreaser and then pressure wash all the nasty bits off and then see where we end up. Now, the cleaner that we use is gunk gel degreaser. So that's what we use in this video. We hose it down liberally and then we let it soak for like 20 minutes sitting out in the sun. Now it's already 100 degrees here in Arizona, so that helps a lot with cleaning, is getting all that heat on the metal parts while the degreaser does what it does. And yeah, check out the videos. We're just going to run through real quick, kind of show you the process of getting all that crap off, and here we go. Got it off the trailer, our Warrior Resurrection project, our sad little Warrior, and yeah, we got a lot of cleaning to do. I mean, you can see up in there how nasty that frame is, and we got a lot of leakage all down around where the oil filter is and kind of by the chain. I'm not really sure where that leak's coming from. I just can't tell. Could be from the oil filter or possibly the seal for the shifter or something, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But we're gonna start hosing it down and we're gonna pressure wash it, and we're gonna see how clean we can get this thing, because she's pretty ugly right now. Kind of see it's not too bad on this side, but we're gonna get everything clean that we can get clean before we get it in the shop. Alright, so we've hosed this thing completely down with degreaser everywhere. I don't really care about the degreaser on the plastics drying it out because they're already completely oxidized and dry, but it actually changed some colors quite a bit. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start pressure washing and see if we can get some of this off. Wow. That is amazing. All right, so I'm gonna stop the video here. We're gonna pressure wash and we'll see where we end up in a little bit. I flipped this thing up on the side. My son has been pressure washing it and it is turning out so nice. All the grease is going away. You can see the skid plate. Everything is looking really good. I mean, we're cleaning it, and I can't believe how nice just the frame and all the metal bits look. The plastic's a mess, but I mean, everything else is really good. That's really minor rust. We're going to clean that up and paint it, and but everything is just looking so nice down in the parts that really matter. Everything else is superficial, can be replaced, but the frame and the parts that matter are just really coming clean. So this is awesome.